Hello, today we are going to study past perfect. The past perfect tense is used to show that something happened before another action in the past. It can also be used to show that something happened before a specific time in the past. So let's see. To form past tense, we need to take into account that we are going to use the verb have in past. In this case, is had. And of course, we need to add the past participle. Okay, for example, we need a subject. Had is going to be an auxiliary verb. We have not if it's a negative sentence, and the past participle of the main verb. Okay, let's see some uses. When to use past perfect? Well, to show that an action happened before something else in the past. For example, Anthony had met Ryan before you introduced him to us at the party. This action was the previous action to this one. Okay. The second use is to show that an action happened before a specific time in the past. Here, in the example we had, she had established her company before 2008. So it means that the action started happening before this time. Okay, as we are talking about two actions that happen one before the other, it's important to realize that the order doesn't matter. It's worth to mention that we can use simple past in this kind of activities. For example, she had just left the scene when the ambulance arrived. The action 1 can be she had just left the scene, and action 2 is going to be the ambulance arrived. How we can connect them? Using our word when. Another use of past tense includes reported speech. Reported speech is when we want to say something that other person said. In this case, is the teacher. The teacher asked if we had studied for the exam. Okay, so we are telling another person what the teacher asked to us. The next use is when the past perfect tense can also be used to show dissatisfaction with the past, something that you didn't like from the past. For example, the boy wished he asked another question. Maybe he had many questions in the class and he didn't ask to the teacher. We can also use past tense with the words just. It makes that the event just happened. Yeah, like that action was only a short time prior. For example, he had just put the dog on the leash when he got there. It means that this just happened some seconds ago. We can also use another adverbs, just, the one that I just explained. Yet, when we talk about finished action, but in this case we need a negative form. So for example, I hadn't finished my work yet when my boss came. Okay, it means that I didn't finish my work for my boss. Okay, and already when we talk about a finished action, and we have these examples. We had already finished our dinner when our father got home. Okay, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, just ask me on Twitter at DelisSpace4 or just leave me a comment. Bye!